How to remove filter from Snapchat picture or photo. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn on how we can remove filters from pictures on your Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So let's get started. So first thing first, open your Snapchat and click on the photo that you want to remove the filter from. I'm going to show you directly on how we can do it. So after clicking on the photo, you will be able to see this interface. So here on the top, you can see this three dot option. Just tap on that three dot option and here you will be able to see a bunch of options, but we need to click on edit snap. So after reaching here, just swipe right to change to another filter or remove any kind of filter. You may just swipe right and you will be able to change it into different kind of filters. But in order to remove it, just scroll to the left until you get to this no filter option and your filter will be removed from Snapchat picture that you want. So in this way, you can remove your filter from certain pictures or snaps from Snapchat by following this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.